my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you my desk makeover. I've left my desk like this since I moved out in January. I did add little things here and there, and it just hasn't been set up yet, so you're gonna come along with me in the next couple of weeks on how I set it up. So yes, if you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from A Life with Holly Lifestyle. I'm so excited to share with you my life as an entrepreneur and my tips and tricks for business. So before I get started, I just wanted to share that I currently just have an IKEA desk. I have this shelf behind me, which we are planning to bring to the office, so this will be gone. I'm still deciding what I want to do with my space. The thing is, I've had multiple different spaces and I just never had the one that I really enjoyed. There was when I was living from home, I had limited budget and I just had to use what I already had. My aesthetic was totally different back then. Also, I loved a lot of pinks and like whites and stuff like that, but now I'm a little older and I've been loving the boho style that I've done in my home now. I think I'm gonna stick more to that, but still keep a little bit of whites and stuff like that. So I'm still trying to figure out what I really want, because I'm just scared in a year or two I'm just gonna be like, oh, I don't like the style anymore, and then I wasted all my money on stuff. But yeah, so we'll see how things go. I can't wait to share with you, and yeah.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom.
Hello! So we're starting off this video today on May 6th. So it is a Friday. I am at home and then I get to work a little bit on some content creation, office obviously. And yeah, so I just wanted to share some of the stuff I got recently. These were actually gifted to me, so I'm excited. I chose pieces that I wanted to put in the office. Obviously, this is not a sponsored video. I don't have to share this in a video, but I wanted to because it was going to be part of my office anyways. So we have, trying to hide my stuff, Yamazaki stuff here. So I got this side table here. I'm planning it to put it anywhere in my space. I still need to take out the shelf that I was talking about before this, and I also have this leaning ladder with shelf, so that's super cute. I think I might put this closer to the window area, but I gotta build these first so I can see where it fits best. So I did purchase their stuff before. That's how they found me and sent me some stuff, so I'm so excited for that. I do have some stuff from in my coffee station. I have a lot of the pour over stuff, so that's what I got. And then I have another box here which I'm going to open and share what's inside. So the reason I haven't done much shopping for my office because I've been busy with work, busy with the office and warehouse, so I haven't done that. That's one of the reasons. The other reasons is because I just don't know what I wanted to do with the space. I wanted to do so many things, but I know I kind of want some sort of like a sitting area, my desk obviously, and maybe some drawers and or cabinets to hide all of my other stuff that I have collected over the years. So that's kind of where I'm going at, but other than that, I wasn't sure what I wanted. There's so many options out there, and obviously I'm on a budget, so there's stuff everywhere. But another thing I got here is this desk organizer. Super cute. I think this would look perfect on my cabinets when I do get them, or even on my desk if I want to. I also got a small little canister. This is actually for my coffee, so this is super cute, but this was just an extra item I got. And then last but not least, I got another side table. This is a bigger side table compared to the smaller one. Still deciding what I want to do with them because I do want some sort of seating area in my space, so maybe those side tables would be good for that when I find the perfect armchair or the perfect sofa or whatever that comes up. But yeah, so I'm gonna get into building these and then we'll see how that goes.
Third meeting of the day, but I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth.
Okay, so I finished one item and I put it over here. This is a spot where it's just had a space there. I don't know what I want to do with it, but what I had planned was there's like a little shelf here. You can put like some cute items like a plant or something. So it's right next to the closet. And then there's some bars that I saw on their Instagram and on their profile that they put kind of like bags, hang their bags there. And I thought that'd be perfect because I do have a lot of bags and I think that would be super cute to have. I don't know if I want to put it in that space or in this little corner here where I have my plant. I need to see if it fits, and if it does, do I want it over there? So that's kind of where I'm at with that. I'm gonna go build the other 2 items and then we can chat more when I'm back.
Go inside or make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and...
So I'm working on the last side table, and this one I just read the instructions, and basically you just put this in and then you screw it on, and that's how easy the setup this one was. The little table over there took around 5 to 10 minutes depending on how fast you can screw, and then this one's probably a little longer because there is a little bit of technique to it. But wow, I love how easy these things are to put on. I'm gonna finish it and we're gonna chat. So these are the items we have. I'm thinking of moving this over there so it's like more visible if I film or something. These I'm still thinking because I'm still need to find some sort of chair to sit in, and then I'll probably use one of these as an end table, and then one of them can just maybe sit here. I'm not sure yet, but let's test it out, see how it looks. This is kind of what I have. I don't know if I want to put this here. I might move it back to the original spot. But this one kind of what I had planned. A little shelf on the top. Fit some items on there. And then I need to find some hooks so I can just hook it onto the bar and then hang bags on there. You can also hang blankets there. It's kind of like a little sample I just threw out there. But maybe later this will be the armchair area. So many things that can be done, but I haven't thought about it yet. So you'll see things change as the days go by, but I'm just gonna be testing things out in the next couple of days, and then I'll update you from there. Hello! So today is very funny because today is July 11th, I believe. And I know it's been 2 months since that last part of my video, and it's been super busy here. I had so much to do. I hadn't had time to kind of pick out the things that I want for the office, but I did share my desk makeover. So this is initial desk makeover, probably change again in the next couple of months, but I did do a separate video for that, so you can watch it in the cards up above, and I'll link it down below. But other than that, I changed that, and I also have my little corner here that I wasn't able to film. It was like super quick, but I'll show you that in a bit. I'll do a mini kind of desk tour for you, but I have the full video in the description down below, so you can go check that out. And then we did have our armchair area, which I did mention in a previous clip, and then we are going to unassemble the shelf that I've been saying for months now, and we're going to install some new kind of cabinets. So yeah! So sorry if you hear some kind of sounds outside. There is someone doing some sort of construction outside, but I cannot control that, unfortunately. But here's how the desk kind of looks now. Make sure to watch the original video where I more detailed about what we did with the space. So basically I moved back my Grovemade stuff in here. I brought back the iMac we had in the office because Ross is not with us anymore. She was working for us for Point Hun, but she moved back home. So she went back to Portland, and then basically I just rearranged it for my iMac, and then I still use my MacBook once in a while for it, but mainly this will be my kind of like a project computer. Another update is that I might move this all the way to the side. The hubby wants to have home office together, so we might do something together, but this is still unsure. So this is where we're at. We still need to add some sort of shelving. I'm still deciding what shelves I want, but that's where we're at with the desk. And yeah. So last time I shared the corner of the space, I had a leaning shelf, which I have now moved over here. I'm still deciding what I want to do with it, but now I finally got my armchair area. This is from Amazon. I'll link it down below. It was only $100, which is really weird, but it might be because they just wanted to test out the market first, so it might go up. So by the time you watch this video, I hope it's still available for $100. But it's super cute. I got this pillow from either Home Goods or Marshall, and then I have my Yamazaki items here that I'm excited to show. I also have this little poof here, which I originally had for Poin Hun when this was Poin Hun's office and photo room, so I just kept that one here because I didn't want to bring it over there. And then today we are tackling this shelf. I'm finally taking the shelf down and we are going to install some new stuff, so I'm so excited for that. And that's a little update for now. And my plant died, so I need to find another big plant. If you remember the clips from May, the plant was nice and thriving. I believe is when I went on vacation, or it just didn't have enough lighting in here, or it didn't have enough space. I have no clue what was wrong, but it didn't last. So yeah, so we're gonna go and tackle the shelf.
When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired.
So the shelf is finally gone after so many months of talking about it. I moved it outside to finish unassembling it, and then I'll bring it to the office to add into our retail shop. So what I got were these IKEA cabinets. They're not that big, and they don't have legs, so I will have to get some legs on Amazon. But I'm just going to build these right now so I can kind of see how they look. I wanted it so I can store a lot of stuff. I definitely need storage space because there's a lot of planners and notebooks that I have accumulated, and I want to store those away. And I also wanted to have a space on top that I can also still display stuff, so when I am filming my videos, if I'm on my desk, then you can see it in the background in a way, so that'd be super cute. And yeah, that's what I had planned. So I'm gonna start building this and we can go from there.
Breathing free. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and
Okay, so I don't know how many hours later. I probably spent 2 to 3 times the time to do this because it was very hard to install. Instructions were super easy. It's just that the material and the product is not the best, so it was really hard to align. The reason why I got this first, it's easy. It came back in stock. It was the first thing I can grab. The other stuff that I might have wanted was very hard to get in stock, so I just didn't want to wait also. And I thought this wasn't going to be that bad, but it was pretty bad. So I actually don't really recommend getting this item. I don't even know if these, when I put the doors on, it's going to work properly. That's another thing. I don't know what to say, but I am going to start looking at what kind of legs I want, and kind of how tall I want. I have these ones here that I am looking at. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm looking at these ones here because it has the wood and kind of like an accent gold, which I think is cute. There's 4-inch and 6-inch, so I want to kind of test it out to see how high I want it, and then install the legs before I install the doors. So that's why we just have them without doors right now. But I think that's it for today's vlog. I did have a mess right now because I took everything off the shelf. I'll be moving the shelf to the office, so that's going to have a new spot for that shelf. But other than that, I am going to end this vlog, or end this section right now, and then you'll see me in another day because I had enough today and it's getting a little warm in the house, so I'm gonna go grab some lunch and hang out and do some work. So yeah, that's it for today. Hello, so today is July 17th and we're going to be working on the office. We got the legs a few days ago, so we have these ones right here. I did share them in the last clip. So they look like this. They had the 4-inch or 6-inch. I thought 4-inch would be fine, so I think this is okay. So we're gonna install those onto the cabinets today, and then install some shelves so we can style it a little bit also. So yeah. So we have a dilemma, and I'm just gonna go grab the IKEA version of these. I should have done it originally, but I wanted cuter legs, but I guess things don't happen the way you want it. So the reasoning is because there's like a little thing here. You have to kind of like put a hole in there to push it in. IKEA furnitures are really thin, so I'm not gonna do that. So we're gonna go to IKEA later and grab some stuff, and that's a little update. Okay, we're back. It is now evening, so these are the legs that are from IKEA, so we're gonna just do these. So it will look a little bit better. It won't have that problem that we were talking about earlier. So yeah, that's what's happening now.
Just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and take away inside. Oh, take today.
Hello. So it is the next day. It's July 18, and I'm just cleaning things up. It's not that sunny today, so it's a little dark. But I think we're basically good. We have the two cabinets here, which I really don't recommend purchasing unless you're really on a budget. As you see, the doors don't even align well. I'm seeing if I can find an alternative, and I'll probably have to return these. But yeah, so it looks good from afar, but in person it's not that best, not the great, not the best looking. So I also installed some shelves here. These are actually very affordable. The shelf was like $5, and these things were also $5. And then I put them together, and then I'm slowly decorating it, and I put some stuff there for now. See how it looks. I have plans for something here, and I even got a plant for my armchair area, which seems a little squishy, but I want to see what I can do, how I can move things to make it look better. But that's basically it. I'm gonna wait a week or two when I decorate it, and then I think I can do the full reveal and share any more updates. But yeah, that's July 18th update.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh,